Here at the facility, we ensure every frog is raised in peak condition, guaranteeing the highest quality leather.
To ensure the highest quality frog leather, we utilize state-of-the-art automated feeders.
Health inspections are crucial to ensure the highest quality frog leather. The microchip data confirms optimal conditions. These vibrant amphibians are handled with extreme care, ensuring their skin quality remains pristine for the luxury leather market.
Is that secure, John?
Yes, it's locked in. Grabbing the next one.
Speed is critical. Our refrigerated trucks travel the highway day and night to deliver the finest frog hides to the factory.
Here at our modern processing facility, we are redefining the luxury leather market.
The raw materials arrive daily at the main gate, signaling the start of the production cycle here at the facility. The tanning drums slowly churn the raw frog hides, a process that can take several weeks.
The final stage of tanning ensures the frog leather is fully saturated and ready for finishing.
Precision is paramount in the production of high-quality frog leather. The digital timer ensures preparation parameters confirmed. The treatment cycle is now active.
The tanning drums rotate.
The initial cleaning phase is critical. Here the raw frog skins are thoroughly rinsed and inspected before moving on to the tanning process.
the conveyor accelerates, moving the newly treated hides rapidly towards the drying stage.
Here in the processing hall, our state-of-the-art equipment transforms the delicate skins into high-quality, sustainable frog leather. In this highly sterile environment, the synthesized frog leather moves rapidly through the cutting stage, minimizing waste.
The neutralization bath is critical. Here, the chemical balance is restored, stabilizing the frog leather for the next phase of production.
The humidity levels are stable at 45%. The airflow seems optimized for the current batch.
Good, we want to maintain consistency for the texture.
The semi-dry frog leather must be incredibly flexible, yet retain its unique, bumpy texture. This is the mark of true quality.
Once clamped, the mechanical arms begin the slow, precise pull, maximizing the yield of the delicate frog skin.
Color treatment is essential. We use only the finest natural dyes, ensuring even application in our specialized rotating vats.
The color treatment process is crucial for aesthetic enhancement, ensuring a uniform and vibrant finish across the leather.
The flexibility test is crucial for assessing the durability of the hide.
Only the finest frog leather sheets are selected, ensuring premium quality for our clients.
After the tanning process, the leather arrives here to be meticulously packaged by our team.
Once cured, the frog leather sheets are meticulously aligned and stacked, ensuring the distinct bumpy texture remains pristine.
Here at the facility, our automated systems ensure the safe and efficient transport of the finished poison dart frog leather.
The logistics phase is critical. Here, the freshly packaged frog leather is automatically stacked, ensuring
Meticulously stacked and climate-controlled, the finished dart frog leather awaits transport from our central facility.
Once the frog leather bundles are stacked, the automated stretch wrapper applies a tight protective film, ensuring the product's safety.
The tension on the shrink wrap is critical for load stability during transit. Scanning the manifest now.
The sheer scale of the operation is evident here, with countless hides prepared for global distribution.
Welcome to the heart of our operations. Here, millions of expertly treated frog hides are systematically organized and stored before shipping.
Ensuring the safe transit of our exotic leathers is paramount. Every hide is secured for the journey ahead.
Final count matches the manifest. We are good to go.
And so the finished product leaves the facility, the highly prized frog leather ready to be shipped across the globe.
Once processed, the specialized frog leather is carefully loaded and shipped to markets around the globe.
With the afternoon shipment loaded, the unique texture of our sustainably sourced frog leather is ready for the global market.